Now we have to divide fraction by the whole number. Okay, so 3/4 divided by 6. I have to copy first fraction down, always. 3/4 divided by whole number. I have to convert to fractions. I'm going to have 6/1. Anytime you want to convert whole number to fraction, write that number over 1. Next, copy always first fraction down, division change to the multiplication, and find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 1/6. Check if you can reduce something, I mean any numerator with any denominator. I have 3 and 6. Both of them are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1/4 times 1/2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. If you reduce, okay, now you can perform the multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. And this is the solution to the problem.